Lynn has a scale model of a modern train. The model is created at a scale of 1 to 48. The height of the model train is 102 millimeters. What is the actual height of the train in meters? Round your answers to the thousandths place, that's the third decimal place. Do not include meters, those are your units, in your answer. So I'm going to just think about this. Like, let's say this is my train. I'll do a boxcar. The height of the model here is 102 millimeters. Now I know that my scale is 1 to 48. So one of the ways to start this problem is to take the 102 and multiply by 48. And when I do that, I get 4,896. The question is 4,896 what? And because we're using a scale, since we started with millimeters, we're ending with millimeters. So 4,896 millimeters. The only problem here is that the question says, what is the actual height in meters? So I used my scale to find the actual height, but I haven't found it in meters yet. So I'll take that 4,896 millimeters and I'll divide it by 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. And when I do that, that will give me my final answer, 4 and 896 thousandths meters. And that's okay. It does say to round our answer to the thousandths place. That's the third decimal place. And so I'm confident that my answer is good. If you chose the wrong answer of 4,896, you were on the right track in your first step. You used the scale, but unfortunately you forgot that using the scale means that you haven't changed your units yet, and you needed to change your units in order to answer the question correctly. Since the question asked you to find the answer in meters, you needed to change your scale at some point in time in the problem. I think at the end is the easiest. And so you gave an answer that was actually millimeters rather than giving an answer in meters. So you were on the right track, just needed to circle back around to what your units were and make sure that you had answered the question correctly.